Hello everyone, today I will show you how to view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Turn off read receipts. Open WhatsApp and go to settings. Tap privacy, read resets and turn it off. Now, view the status without notifying them. Note, this also disables read resets for your chats, meaning you won't see blue ticks when others read your messages. Method 2. Use airplane mode. Open WhatsApp and let the status load. Turn on airplane mode, disconnecting from Wi-Fi and mobile data. View the status. Close WhatsApp completely and clear it from recent apps. Turn off airplane mode. Note, if you don't close WhatsApp before reconnecting to the internet, your view may still be recorded. And that's everything you need to know about how to view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.